Welcome. Please allow me to introduce a great tool. This video was made with the help of PopPop AI. This AI voice generator supports various languages, accents, female and male voices for global accessibility. Text-to-speech function is a great choice for voice-overs for videos on various platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and marketing videos. Fine-tune with accent, emotion, speed, and pitch settings to get the results you want. Available in over 20 languages, the only limit to what you can use this great tool for is your imagination. Whether you want to tell a story, read a text, or just need some audio for the video media you've created, no problem, PopPop AI is here to help. You will also find many other options that can make your daily work or life easier. In addition to text-to-speech, you can also use it to process music or create sound effects. You can use these in your own media, or even when creating an indie game. Let's take a look at how it works. If you already know what project you need narration and sound effects for, you're almost done. Choose the sound you like.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system. There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Enter the text you need. Text-to-speech.
Now we hear text with the help of artificial intelligence. What do you think? Do you like it?
Fine-tune it if necessary.
Now we hear text with the help of artificial intelligence. What do you think? Do you like it? Now we hear text with the help of artificial intelligence. What do you think? Do you like it?
Now we hear text with the help of artificial intelligence. What do you think? Do you like it?
You can also create sound effects in this simple way. Just type in the appropriate prompt, what you want to hear, press generate, and you can enjoy the sounds created by AI. If you need a sound quickly, you can even choose from the existing sound library. Under the Cover Generator menu item, you can create songs in which you replace the vocal audio track with one generated by artificial intelligence.
All we love can say, try again, walk away, but I believe. I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky and all.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky.
Music processing is a very interesting feature, where you can extract the vocals and instrumentals tracks by PopPop AI. If you create an account, you will be welcomed to a cleaner interface when you log into the website, where all functions are more easily accessible. You can access this with the Start App option after registration, but you can also switch to the previous interface with a simple click. On this interface, you have the option to manage your account. If you wish, you can upgrade your membership here. You can also see the original audio materials you have previously created. You can simply choose from the AI voice actors that are categorized. Here you will also find the option to select a language. Fortunately, AI voice generation is now available in many languages. Let's see what we managed to create with the help of PopPop AI.
Hi. I'm Johnny, a ninja, maybe the last one. But maybe others just forgot me. Harry have a dangerous mission. I have to protect the world. But don't worry. I have a throwing star and a super sword, so I'm never afraid. Damn! Sometimes it's better to run away. Ah, help me.
If you liked the video, visit the PopPop AI website and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.